seconds. Are you able to see the screen now?
Yes,
Children?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
can
Yes,
see,
ma'am.
So you are going to, you are seeing one picture there, right? So what is the picture there? What is the difference you can notice in that picture? What is the difference you
Elements,
can
compound,
notice?
and mixture.
Okay, elements are there, compounds are there, and then mixture is there. What is the difference?
Ma'am, atoms are very,
Missing
and
compounds,
in compound atoms are
there is more than one molecule.
Yeah. So element means
Containing only one molecule.
contains only one molecule, and it is simplest substance. Okay, it
Yes,
contains
ma'am.
only one molecule, and it is simplest substance, and it cannot be broken down further. Okay, further into simple molecules it cannot be broken down. So it is the simplest substance. Okay, and then what is a compound, children? What is a
Mixture
compound?
of two elements.
Yeah,
Mixture of
it is
two
a
or more
combination.
elements.
Yeah, it is a combination of one or two elements or more elements. So you can see the compound diagram also there. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so it is a chemical combination of one or two or more elements. Okay, two or more elements. Then what is a mixture, children?
Mixture of elements and
One or two
compounds.
elements
So
are mixed together.
yeah,
Mixture of elements and compounds.
yeah, mixture of elements and mixture of compounds, that is all called as mixtures. Okay, this is very simple thing which you all know very well. Okay, so what is this, children? By seeing this picture, what are you understanding by seeing this picture?
solar system.
Solar
Yeah.
system.
Solar system.
There is a comparison between both
Comparison between
between
solar
the
Yes,
system
ma'am.
and atom.
yeah.
Have orbits,
So this is
and
a
they're
basic structure of atom. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so the basic structure of atom is compared to
Solar system.
Solar
the
system.
solar system.
which is also called as planetary model. Okay, planetary model. Okay, page number 2 you open. Unit
Yes,
1
ma'am.
chemistry, page number
The
2.
structure of an atom is
Okay,
compared to the planetary model.
yeah, the structure of an atom is compared to the planetary
Planetary model.
model. Okay, just like planets, how they revolve around the sun in different orbits. The electrons also, this basic structure of atom in unit 2 I have explained very clearly. Lot of time
Yes,
you have
ma'am. Yes,
taken.
ma'am.
Okay, so the electrons also, they are revolving around the nucleus in fixed paths or orbits.
Orbits.
The same thing it is compared to how the planets are revolving around the sun. Okay, in this in this second picture, the electrons, they revolve around the nucleus. Okay, with high speed.
Electrons are like planets, ma'am.
So this is compared to the planetary model. Okay,
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
right, understood. And
Yes,
next,
ma'am. Understood.
so to explain this atoms, how they are located around the nucleus, and then how the basic structure of atom is there, what are meant by atoms, what are their properties, these are all explained by different scientists. Okay, there were three major scientists. Okay, 3 to 4 major scientists in chemistry who have worked on this at atoms, electrons and protons, and they have given their observations and they have given their inventions. Okay, one of the important scientists is Dalton's. Okay, so Dalton is John Dalton. His full name is John Dalton. Okay, he is, you know, very great scientist, and he has developed an theory called atomic theory. What is the theory, children?
Atomic theory.
Yeah,
Theory.
that theory is called as Dalton's atomic theory. Okay,
Dalton's atomic
Dalton's
theory.
atomic theory. When he has invented this atomic theory is in 1800. Okay, in the year 1800s, he has discovered this Dalton atomic theory, and you know, he also invented. So we know in the periodic table we have already studied about, you know, elements have symbols, right? So all the atoms have symbols and molecules have. So Dalton is a scientist who has invented symbols for atoms and molecules, and he is a scientist who worked on atomic weights. Okay, each element is having a atomic weight. Okay, so he is a scientist who has worked on those atomic weights, right? So now let us understand what is Dalton's atomic theory. Okay, this is important, children. Why I am explaining you all these things is these few concepts are very important for your career. When you go into your higher grades, this basic information is what which you require. So I just want to give you that knowledge. So that's the reason I have prepared this PPT and I was just trying to explain you. So please pay concentration. Right, so now this is about Dalton's atomic theory. Okay, so very clear, all the points in the unit 2 I have explained, children. If you study each and every point, so each and every point I have explained you very clearly. But once again, let us revise all these points, because here naming is different. Dalton's atomic theory, under that theory these points are there, but these points all I have explained you in unit 2 also. So I told you, elements are made up of tiny particles called atoms.
Atom.
Okay. So how the what does the element consist of? How the elements are made up of, children? Elements are made up of tiny particles
Atoms.
called atoms. Okay.
Atom.
Next, all atoms of a given element are identical. For example, if you take carbon element, so what does the carbon element consist of? It consists of all carbon atoms. If you take nitrogen element, it consists of all nitrogen atoms. If you take phosphorus, it consists of all phosphorus atoms. If you take oxygen, it consists of all oxygen atoms. So if you take a particular element, it consists of all atoms of that particular element only. It doesn't consist of mixture of different atoms. Okay, that is the second point. All atoms of a given element are same, identical. Okay, next, the atoms of a given element are different from those of any other element. So we cannot observe same atoms in all the elements. Carbon is having carbon atoms. Okay, nitrogen is having nitrogen atoms. Element phosphorus will have only phosphorus atoms. Element chlorine will have only chlorine atoms. Element hydrogen will have only hydrogen atoms. So elements of one element can, so the atoms of a given element are different from those of another element. So from one element to the other element, the atoms are different. From one element to the other element, the atoms are different. Did you understand, children, this point? Are you following me?
Yes, miss.
Anybody who is not following me, you can ask me. Okay, simple points. There is nothing to anything like, confusion. Okay, coming to fourth point, atoms of one element can combine with atoms of other element to form compounds. So this compounds also, I told you, compounds is a mixture of two or more atoms. Okay, so now atoms of one element, see, carbon combines with nitrogen or oxygen combines with phosphorus. So atoms of one element can combine with atoms of other elements. So if these combinations will produce compounds. What are compounds, children? Compounds are nothing but, it is, what are compounds? Just now I have explained. Compounds consist of two or more elements together. So those things are called as compounds. So this is about the fourth point. A given compound, if you take one compound, it is having the same relative numbers and types of atoms. So any compound, if you take whatever the mixture is there, for example, if a compound is formed by mixing hydrogen and oxygen. So hydrogen combines with oxygen to form H2 plus O is equal to, H2 plus O gives rise to, what is the H2 plus O gives rise to there?
H2O.
H2O. What is H2O there?
Water.
Water. So it consists of only hydrogen atoms and oxygen atoms. It doesn't consist of other atoms, right? So the compound which is formed by combination of two elements, it consists of the same relative numbers or the same type of atoms in it. It consists of only hydrogen and oxygen atoms. It doesn't consist of nitrogen, or it doesn't consist of any phosphorus, or other elements will not come. So that is the point which is speaking about. So when hydrogen combines with oxygen, it forms only H2O, which is the symbol for water. Okay, so that is about fourth point. Next, atoms are indivisible in chemical process. So atoms are basic structures. They are the smallest particles. Okay, they are tiny particles. So further, we cannot divide, these atoms into more smaller particles. They are almost the smaller particles. They are almost the tiny particles and microparticles. Okay, so these atoms cannot be divided. Neither they can be created or destroyed. So no, in any chemical reaction, if you take,
Ma'am,
yes.
already another scientist said about this, no, ma'am.
I'll explain you. First, you understand this, Dalton's atomic theory. Okay, there were many discussions. Okay, different scientists has come with different kinds of inventions, different kinds of proposals. Okay, what are the best are there? Those best were given in your course book. Okay, and what are important points are there? Those important points only I am repeating now. Okay, each theory is having around 15 to 20 points, but those all points were not given in your course book or even in your textbook. What is given for your particular class, for your particular grade, what is more important for you, those points only I'm stressing now. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so please do
Okay.
not disturb in the middle, children. I'll explain all, I'll clarify all your doubts. Okay, because you know we were running shortage of time. Because always physics and chemistry there is a lot to learn, there is a lot to discuss, and periods are very less. That's the reason now this is not my period. But still I have asked other teacher to give me this period so that I can share this knowledge with you. Okay, so now atoms are, you know, we cannot create any atoms or any, we cannot destroy them. Atoms, okay, atoms are not created or destroyed in any chemical reaction. Okay, simply it changes its form, or you know, its combination will change, or its form will change, but it cannot be destroyed or it cannot be created newly. Okay, this is about Dalton's atomic theory. Okay, Dalton's atomic theory stresses on 3 to 4 points majorly. So what is the first point, children? See, if you follow along with me, your revision will become very easy. If you follow
Ma'am,
Elements are made up of tiny particles called atoms.
very good. So what are atoms? Elements are made up of tiny particles called atoms. Okay,
Atoms.
next, what is the second point?
All atoms of a
All
given
atoms of a
element
given
Identical.
element are
All
Identical.
atoms of a given element are identical. Example,
Not exactly isotopes.
that is not related to your class. But anyways, at the 4th week you have a topic about isotopes and isobars. There I'll explain you that. Don't confuse with that. You just read all atoms of a given element are identical. So what is the example for that? I said one example also. I have shared one example also for you.
solar system.
all the
Solar.
atoms of sulfur are same.
Very good. I said carbon atoms. Carbon element consists of all carbon atoms. Oxygen element consists of all oxygen atoms. Nitrogen element consists of all nitrogen atoms. Phosphorus element consists of all phosphorus atoms.
Phosphorus
Same
atoms.
thing it was speaking about. All atoms of a given element are identical. Identical means same. Okay. Next. What is the third point, children?
The atoms of a given element are different from those of any other element.
So what is the meaning of this point? So nitrogen element is there, carbon element is there. So the atoms
So
of
both of them are different
both
from
are
each
so the
other.
nitrogen, the element, see the atoms of nitrogen are different from the atoms of carbon. The atoms of carbon are different from the atoms of oxygen. The atoms of oxygen are different from the atoms of phosphorus. So the atoms of a given element are different from those of any other element. Same like second point only. Okay, different element has different atoms.
Different atoms.
Okay, atoms are not same in all the elements. Each element has its own identical atoms.
Atoms.
Okay, that is third point. What is fourth point, children?
Atoms of one element can combine with atoms of another element to form
It is
compounds.
nothing, very simple. How the compounds are formed. Already in the first slide only I told you what is a compound. Compound is mixture of two or more atoms. Okay, two or more
Atoms.
elements. Okay, so then here he is explaining how the compounds are formed. He was telling atoms of one element can combine with atoms of other element to form compounds. Okay.
Compounds.
Next, what is the next point?
Atoms are indivisible in chemical processes.
Yeah, what is meant by indivisible? We cannot divide them further. We
Divide
cannot
atoms.
divide them further because atoms are already, they are very small particles. They are tiny particles. They are the smallest, finest structures. Okay, so we cannot
They are
further.
uncuttable, no ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so they are indivisible. We call them as indivisible.
Indivisible.
Okay, so we cannot either create them or destroy them. In any chemical reaction, we cannot either create them or destroy them. Okay,
Miss, but in an atom we have the electrons, neutrons, and protons.
that is
How
basic
can we
structure
not?
of atom. That is a basic structure of atom again. Okay, now I was
So
talking
this
about
is
atom.
different.
Okay, I was just talking a properties of atom. You are talking about structure of atom. Did you get Vyomini?
Yes, Miss, I got it.
You got the point? I was just talking the properties of atom. Okay, I was not mentioning about any proton and electron here.
Okay.
Next, a chemical. So the simple point which you have to understand is atoms cannot be created newly. We cannot create them. We cannot produce them. And if an atom is already existing, we cannot destroy it. So in a chemical reaction, simply in a chemical reaction, we can change the form of atoms or the way of atoms or their grouping. That only we can change. But total atom we cannot create newly, or total atom we cannot destroy it. Okay, did you understand, children, Dalton's atomic theory?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody
Yes, ma'am.
understood? Anybody who is not understanding?
Ma'am, explain. Ma'am,
No, your
explain
voice
second.
was not clear.
Ma'am, explain second and third point, ma'am.
You read second point?
All atoms of a given element are identical.
What is that line speaking about?
Don't know.
Don't know? All atoms, English only, na written. All atoms of a given element are identical. I told one example. Carbon element is there. What does the carbon element consist of?
Carbon
Carbon
atom.
atom.
Carbon atoms. So all atoms in that carbon element are of only carbon atoms. So all atoms in a particular element are same. For example, if you have carbon element, carbon is an element, it consists of all carbon atoms only. It doesn't consist of any oxygen atoms in it or nitrogen atoms in it. Okay. For example, Dhruv's house is there. In Dhruv's house, only Dhruv's family members will be there. Right? Some Pullaya or Ellaya's family members will not come and stay in our house. We have our own family members, our father, mother, brother, sister. It is all belonging to our group of family. Okay, the same thing. In a particular element, the atoms of that particular element will be present. New elements will not come. Same thing, it was explained there. All atoms of a given element, any particular element you take either carbon or nitrogen or oxygen, any element you take. In that particular element, if you take nitrogen, it consists of only nitrogen atoms. If you take phosphorus, it consists of only phosphorus atoms. Is it clear, children?
Clear, ma'am. Ma'am, third point.
Miss,
I have continuous classes. Yes. I have downloaded PPTs also. Right. Top floor you take. Excuse me, children. Okay. Yes, Dhruv, did you understand now?
Understood, ma'am. Ma'am, say third point also, ma'am.
You tell me, what did you understand?
Ma'am, every particular element has its own specific atoms, ma'am.
Example?
If carbon atoms only have carbon element only have carbon atoms.
That example I have given. You give me your own example.
Ma'am, nitrogen element
That also
has
I
only.
have given.
Ma'am.
We have 118 elements in the periodic table, which you can give
Ma'am,
any example, out of which 99 are natural elements. So in that 99 elements, you can give me any one element example.
Miss,
Ma'am,
aren't there 94 natural elements?
Vyomini?
In the book, it says 94 natural elements.
From scientist to scientist, it is varying. Okay. Okay, there is no exact confirmation, but you can take 94 also as confirmation. Okay, there were few elements were under still discussion. Okay. but still clarity was not made. It was still under research work is going on. Okay. So Dhruv, please give me an example fast because we are running very shortage of time.
Ma'am, sulfur elements have only
Ah,
sulfur atoms.
okay, very good. Sulfur. So did you got this point now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Third point, the atoms of given element are different from those of any other element. Then how? The atoms of a given element are different from those of any other element. So I told the same point it is also actually. Okay, but in another form he has written. So there is some disturbance somewhere. Dhruv, is it with you, the disturbance?
Oh, ma'am, with Mahima,
Mahima,
ma'am.
please mute yourself.
No,
Yes.
ma'am, I too hear the sound. I can't hear if I do, ma'am. I didn't do the sound.
Okay, right. Hruday is joining very late actually. I don't know. They'll join late. Hruday, respond. See, many children did not connect to audio devices. Still, Rishi Maitreyan did not connected. Rishit Rao did not connect. Satya Prabha did not connect. I don't know why. Hruday, respond. Hruday. Hruday, respond. Hruday. Hruday, respond. Hruday, you have to speak. I am unable to hear you. Hruday, respond. Very bad thing, Hruday, if you do not speak.
Ma'am, he's typing in chat box, ma'am.
Yeah.
What is typing?
He said that he can't
Ma'am,
hear
can
you.
you hear me
Speaking.
saying that?
Huh?
He
Ma'am,
said
can
that
you
he
hear
can't
me?
hear
Ma'am, I'm
you, but
talking
he's
saying.
talking.
As I'm sharing the screen now, I'm unable to see any of the charts here. But can you tell me what was the chart exactly?
Ma'am,
He
he's
said
saying
that
that, can you hear me?
No, I was unable to hear him. But anyways, okay, we'll continue with our topic. Right. So the third point is also same. The nitrogen, the atoms of a given element. What is a given element? For example, nitrogen is a given element. Okay. So nitrogen element consists of nitrogen atoms only. It doesn't consist of sulfur atoms in it, or it doesn't consist of carbon atoms in it. So that is the point, third point. Mean the atoms of a given element are different from those of any other element. Mean, for example, if you take nitrogen atom, nitrogen element consists of nitrogen atoms. Sulfur element consists of sulfur atoms. Okay, it doesn't consist of carbon or oxygen or hydrogen atoms. So same, the third point is also the same. Dhruv, is it clear for you? Dhruv, respond.
Clear, ma'am.
Did you understand?
Clear, ma'am.
Anybody who did not
Understood,
understand
ma'am.
any of the points, please
Miss,
respond now itself.
Miss, I have
Vayomini,
a
please.
question.
Yes.
In the fifth point, it says that atoms are not created or destroyed in a chemical reaction. But
Okay.
out of 118 elements, 24 of them were like created and 94 were naturally found. So how can
See,
atoms
already
not be
they are
created?
there in the periodic table. Okay, they are there in the periodic table, and they were under, more details are under research. More details means the chemical and physical properties of that particular atoms are under still research. Okay, they are already created, they are already invented. Invention is different, but from creation now, Vayomini. What is the difference between invention and creation?
How is it different?
Different. Creation is different from invention. Creation is
Can
something
you give
which
me
you
an
will
example?
see. Invention is something which you invent it. It is already there in the atmosphere. It is already there in the universe, and you have invented it. Okay, you have invented it. But creation means it is different. You have created by yourself, by your own. You have created. Okay, for example, I have invented. I have invented, for example, a pen. Let us say in a class I have invented a pen. That is different. Okay, but I have created a pen. That is different. I have created a pen means I have created by my own. Okay, I have created it by my own. Invention is, it is already there in the classroom, which I have invented it.
Hello, ma'am.
Miss, your voice is breaking.
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
not
We can't
audible
hear
now?
you.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it
We can
audible
hear
now?
you now.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. It's
Yes, ma'am.
audible.
Vayomini, did you understand?
Once again, repeat, ma'am. That
Creation
exam.
means you have to create by your own. Okay, which you
Invention means which is there
is
will form.
already there, which is invention means which is already there in the universe, which is already there in the atmosphere, which is there in the environment. You have invented it. It is already there. Creation means it is not there. You have created by your own. So the point there is atoms are not created by your own. Okay, and you cannot destroy also. Vayomini, is it clear to you?
Miss, so if you say it like that, then if it's already in the atmosphere, they should be said that those 24 elements are naturally found because you said they're already in the atmosphere.
Okay.
And so how can we say that they're actually
I was not getting your
what
point.
do we
Naturally
say?
found means they were naturally
Created.
there. Okay. Your point was not clear to me, Vayomini.
Yeah,
Hello.
Ma'am, we can't hear you, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Miss,
your
Hello,
voice is
ma'am.
breaking,
It's
ma'am.
breaking, ma'am.
It's clear, ma'am. It's
I
clear.
was just speaking louder only. Okay. I was not getting her voice
Clear,
actually.
ma'am.
Vayomini's voice only. I was not
Ma'am,
getting
it's
it.
breaking, ma'am.
Maybe you just check your internet connections, children. I have no issues with me.
yeah,
Okay.
it's okay.
Vayomini, did you understand point? For further clarity, if you require, you call me, because this is a very big topic and there is a lot of research going on and there is a lot of discussions are there. But my point to you reaches already in the periodic table. In the periodic table, already few elements which were naturally existing, they were there, and few were in the process of discovery actually. Few were in the process of invention, and few are, atoms names were invented, but their atomic weights, mass numbers, all those things, research is going on. That is my point finally.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, children.
ma'am, a chemical reaction simply changes the way atoms are grouped together means what, ma'am?
Like, for example, H plus O2 is there. H plus O2 gives rise to
H2O.
H2O. Okay, but we are not involving any other new things there. Okay, so oxygen is there, hydrogen is there. It is just combining there to form a compound.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
we are not changing, we were not, a chemical reaction simply changes the way the atoms are. Previously, hydrogen atom is independent. Okay, it is an individual element, and oxygen atom is an individual element. In a chemical reaction, hydrogen is combining with oxygen to form H2O, which is a symbol for water. So here we are just changing the way the atoms are grouped together. Okay, grouping of the atoms is changing, but we are not totally destroying the atoms or there, or we are not creating any atoms in a chemical reaction. Did you understand? Hydrogen atom is
Yes,
there
ma'am.
independently.
Understood, ma'am.
Oxygen atom is there independently.
We are combining both of
So
them.
there we are combining chemical reaction. In a chemical reaction, those both are combined. Okay, and they are grouped together. So we are just changing the way they are arranged. Okay, but we are not destroying any atom in a chemical reaction, or we are not newly creating an atom in a chemical reaction. Is it clear for
Okay,
you?
ma'am. Understood. Understood, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, shall we go to next slide?
Yes, ma'am. Continue with next.
Yes, ma'am.
Time is completed, ma'am.
Next period also you have. Did I create class? Check your MCB.
Ma'am, we are attending class, ma'am. We can't check, ma'am.
I'll check, don't worry. I have
Why?
already.
We can check it. I'm
No,
checking
ma'am,
it.
we can check,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, we can check
Yeah.
it, ma'am.
If you're gonna use a laptop or phone, you'll still.
Ma'am, you have not created, ma'am. You have not created, ma'am.
One minute, Nana. I was creating. Just give me seconds of time. Okay. Now it is only 1 minute left, right? 1 minute. So if once, just now I have created it. Please
మా చేతిలో మా ఇంగ్లీష్ సార్ అయిపోయింది మమ్మీ.
It's not showing, ma'am.
Now is it showing, children? Say check once.
Miss, what is the time there?
I have given 1026. I was just ending this
Yes,
class.
yes,
Yeah, ma'am.
created.
Yeah, I was
Yes,
just
ma'am. It's
created.
created.